Hello everybody. In this video we will discuss about the example 7 on the sets chapter. In the previous videos we have seen up to the example 6 on the sets chapter, that is in math subject. Okay, in this video we will see one example problem number 7. Given question here is set A. This given as set A is equals to x as that x square minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. Where here x belongs to z, x is this, here x is there, that is x belongs to the z. Then we have to find n of a. Okay, here what is meaning of n of a and z, that we will discuss now. Here x as that x square. First of all, this set is given in the set builder form. As I said, roster form means we will use it is a set where numbers will be, numbers or letters will call as elements, with commas they will be, that is known as roster set. But here we are having such that is there, this is this column is there, that is meaning is such that, and one variable is there, that is x is a variable here. Okay, here this x square minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. This set builder form we have to convert it into the roster form. This is the main how we have to convert this set builder into roster with the help of this x square minus 4x minus 5. What is this actually? This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Equation is because is equals to 0 is there. That is why it is a quadratic equation. And here x is a variable, belongs to z. Z is integers. Z means here integers. X values, if we will solve this quadratic equation, we will get zeros. Two values will come. X is equals to two values will come. That will call as zeros of the quadratic equation. Okay, that zeros will come, not two values after solving this quadratic equation. That both should be belong to the integers. Integers means negative values will be 0 and positive values all will be. Okay, that is integers. So this x belongs to the integers. What we have to find? N of a. N of a means how many elements are present in the given set A. N means here cardinal number. Cardinal number means in set A we will get two values or any values, any elements. How many elements? N number of elements. N of A means here in that how many are there. Suppose A is equals to, we are having 4, 5, 7, 9, 13. Okay, this is the after solving. For example, I am taking set A is given with these elements. Now we have to find N of A. N of A here means number of elements present in set A. Here how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer 5. That is the answer. N of A means number of elements present in the given set. We can take. Here set A is given, so set A will take. Now we have to solve this quadratic equation. Then we will get two zeros. Zeros of quadratic equation. How to solve this? We will get x square minus 4x minus 5 is equals to 0. This is the given quadratic equation. We have to solve this. By factorization method we can solve. There are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. But factorization is simple, so we will take that one. In factorization, what is the first step? The constant should be multiplied with the first term. Here constant is minus 5 and the first term is 1. 1 is there. 1 into x square. Okay, first term is x square. So minus 5x square will take. This is the first step completed in the factorization method. What is that? Constant multiplication with the first term of the quadratic equation. Okay, second step is now this minus 5x square. Example minus 6 is there. This is example I am saying. We have to take like minus 2 into 3. Multiplication Here two numbers we have to take. Two values or two numbers we have to take. That we have to multiply means we should get this answer. Minus 5 x square. Here we are multiplying minus 2 into 3. We are getting as minus 6. So here also in same way we have to do. Again here one condition should be. One condition is, here we are multiplying means we will get the minus 6. That means above that. If we are adding minus 2 plus 3. Answer what should come? This value should come. This middle value should come as answer. This is the second step of the quadratic equations to solve. See here. First step is constant into first term of the quadratic equation. Okay, second step is such a way that two numbers we are taking. The two numbers, if we multiply, we should get this above answer. If we add that, add or subtract the two numbers, we should get this middle answer. Yes. Now we will do here. Which two numbers we will take? Then we will get as minus 5 x square. Minus 5x into 1x. Minus 5x into 1x. 1x means x. Minus 5x into x. Minus 5 into 1. Minus 5 x into x square. We have got minus 5x square. Okay, now first condition satisfied. Now second step is, we have to plus this. Minus 5x plus 1x. What is the answer? Minus 4x we will get. Minus 5 plus 1. Minus 4. X will come. Direct. See, this minus 4 here is there. And we also got as minus 4x. Yes. So here the zeros. Means these are not the final zeros. What are the values here? Values are, we are taking minus 5x as one value or one number, and the second value is 1x. If we are taking only these both values, then in step 2 those two conditions are satisfied. Now we have to, now last step is, first write this x square. So minus 4x only you have to change. You have to change with minus 4x here we got. Now how we got? Minus 5x plus 1x. So that we have to write here. Minus 5x plus 1x. Again same, minus 5 is equals to 0. See, last step means after this again we will be solving. Third step is x square as it is we will write here. And 5 also, minus 5 also as it is you will write here in the last. But this minus 4x, here we have done. Here minus 4x, how we got? Minus 5x plus 1x. In the place of minus 4x, we are substituting this value. Same. How it is there here, minus 5x plus 1x. Here also same we are writing. Okay, next how to do means, from this both what we can conclude, x is common. X minus 5. See, if we from this both, we will take as x common. X is common is there now, so we will take x common. X common means x into x square came. Again minus x into 5, 5x. Or 5 into x, 5x. Again here plus. So this x minus 5. Here 1 will take means x minus 5 is equals to 0. Here first we have got here x minus 5. So from this is we have to think that this is the first part and this is the second part for our understanding. So in first part we have got x minus 5 as x into x minus 5. So in second part also, in this bracket there should be compulsory x minus 5. X minus 5 should come in such a way that we have to take common here. If we take 1 common here, so 1 into x, 1x, and plus into minus, minus 1 into 5, 5. And x minus 5 is common here. So in such a way we have to take here the number. Here common number we have to take. In second part, one common number we have to take. That common number, what it should satisfy? This. In first part we got in bracket now, that only it should satisfy. Means that only it should come here. Like that number we have to take common. Yes, next what will happen? Direct you have to write the values. What is there here? X plus 1 and x minus 5 is equals to 0. While solving the quadratic equations, this will be, we can understand very clearly. Now, x minus 5, both are common. So, only one time we can write that. One time we can write, and x plus 1 is there. Here x, here plus 1. Both combinedly in bracket we can write that. So, x plus 1 into x minus 5 is equals to 0. So, what are the values of x here? X plus 1 is equals to 0 and x minus 5 is equals to 0. We have to take x plus 1 is equals to 0, and these are two parts. First part x plus 1, second is x minus 5 is equals to 0. So, we can equate x plus 1 is equals to 0. Then what will be answer for x here? 0 plus 1 will go that side. Minus 1. 0 minus 1 minus 1. So, x is equals to minus 1 here. In what? In first case. If x plus 5 is equals to 0, x minus 5 is equals to 0, then what will be value of x? 0 minus 5 is there here. We have to consider this sign also. Here plus is there. So, if it goes to RHS, 0 minus 1. It is a minus 1. Here sign is negative. If it goes to RHS, it becomes plus. In LHS minus, in RHS it will be positive. Here in LHS it is positive, in RHS it will be negative. So x here 0 plus 5. 0 plus 5 is 5. So we got here two values. X is equals to minus 1 we got, and x is equals to 5 also we got. X is equals to 5 and x is equals to minus 1 we got here. So next what we have to do means, at the ending now, we are at the ending. See, we have found out the x values, that is minus 1, comma 5. These are the values of the x we solved now. Okay, next how to do? X as that this value, x values are minus 1 comma 5. X should be belongs to z. Z means here integers. Integers, it contains negative value and positive values, including 0 also may come. So x compulsory belongs to z. Z means negative also will be na minus 1 we got. So here minus y and 5 both belongs to the integers. Okay, now this we have done this part. We have converted this set builder form into the roster form. That is minus 5 comma minus 1 comma plus 5 and in roster form. So set A is equals to, we can write as minus 1 comma 5 and n of A. How many are there here? How many elements? 2 elements. 1 element, 2 element. So 2 elements. N of A is equals to 2. Final answer. N of A is equals to 2 we can take. So we have got the x values are 2 values we have got. So N of A means cardinal number of elements in the present set. Here how many elements are there? Elements means this inside these numbers, letters or something. They can give that. 2 are there. One is minus 1 and second element is 5. So hence there are 2 elements in the given this set builder form. N of A is equals to 2 is the final answer. In this video we have seen the example 7 related to sets. Thank you.